Hey everybody, it's Cathy here at Terrace Honda. Hope you're having a wonderful Friday. I wanted to go over the CRVs quickly. It's been a while since I've done this, and we get so many questions on our Honda CRVs, which is by far our best-selling vehicle out of all these lovely vehicles. And I'll start off with the LX here. It is the most basic model that Honda has for the CRVs, and you get a really nice package with it. I'm going to turn this around. And you have all of our models, from the basic to the most highest trim level, comes with proximity keys. This means that you're not always pulling your keys out of your pocket or your purse. You just walk up to the door handle, you touch it, you get in. You can lock it with that little grid there when you get out. Just all kinds of things. It comes with remote start from the factory. They are nice and roomy. They're very comfortable seating, a lot of adjustments. You come with low and high speed follow on your cruise control. They all have Android Auto, Apple Carplay, and so if you get a basic model and you're wanting something like navigation, that's all something that you can just work with on your phone and plug it right in. Of course, a lot of Honda sensing features, safety. Honda is big on safety, but the back seat, quickly, you do have a lot of legroom, a lot of space for kids, car seats, luggage, all that stuff. Honda's done some more things in recent years, like gone to capless fueling, which makes things a lot easier. You're not always fussing with gas caps. And there's a lot of cargo space and some really neat options. Now there's kind of a drop down level here, which gives you a little more height, kind of keeps your groceries in place when you're doing things. But you can also, I'm trying to do this one-handed here, take and put it completely level. And you do have these handy handles in the back here to lower the seat. You don't have to run around to put everything flat. So if you're the kind of person that likes to camp out in your vehicle or need it to lie flat, you can absolutely do that. Now there's some other really advantages to the Honda CRVs. In 2017, they went to the 1.5 liter turbos, which our customers are loving. It's getting better with the fuel consumption, smaller engine, more power. There's zippy in the passing lane, and of course a lot of other features. You're welcome, of course, to give me a call or stop in anytime. I'd love to help you out. Take one for a drive. Give me a call anytime, and you all have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.